Good day, everyone. Today, we will present our study entitled Comparative Study of Examination Performance in Face-to-Face and Online Modalities among Electrical Engineering Students of Mapua University. Engineering education has continuously evolved with the increasing use of digital learning platforms. Along with this change, universities have adopted online examinations as an alternative to traditional face-to-face assessments. However, despite the widespread implementation of online testing, this remains an important question. Does the examination modality influence students' expected examination performance? Moreover, we wanted to determine whether students' preparation level also plays a significant role and whether preparation interacts with the examination modality. Previous studies have compared online and face-to-face learning, but few have specifically investigated how testing modality and preparation level together influence examination performance among electrical engineering students. So to address this research gap, our study aimed to first, compare face-to-face and online examination modalities. Second, determine the effect of preparation level. Third, evaluate whether these two factors interact. And lastly, develop a quantitative framework for assessing expected examination performance.
To answer these objectives, we employed a quantitative, non-experimental repeated measures factorial design. 30 electrical engineering students from Mapua University participated in the study. Since every respondent answered all scenarios, each participant served as or her own control, reducing the individual differences during statistical analysis. Each respondent evaluated 4 examination situations: face-to-face with low preparation, face-to-face with high preparation, online with low preparation, and online with high preparation. Preparation was defined as low preparation being less than 2 hours of study hours per day, and high preparation being 2 hours or more study hours per day. Responses were collected using a standardized Google Forms questionnaire. Students estimated their expected examination performance using 5 grade categories. These responses were converted into a 5-point ordinal scale where 1 represented below 70%, 2 represented 70 to 74%, 3 represented 75 to 84%, 4 represented 85 to 94%, and lastly, 5 represented 95 to 100%. The collected data were encoded in Microsoft Excel and analyzed using MATLAB through a two-way requested measures ANOVA with a significance level of 0.05.
So the descriptive statistics showed a clear trend across the 4 experimental conditions. The face-to-face with low preparation condition obtained the lowest expected performance rating with a mean of 2.17. When preparation increased under the face-to-face setting, the mean increased to 3.27. For the online modality, students reported a mean of 3.30 under low preparation. The highest expected examination performance was observed in the online with high preparation condition with a mean rating of 4. To determine whether these differences were statistically significant, we conducted a two-way repeated measures ANOVA. Our analysis revealed 3 important things. So first is learning modalities significantly affected the expected examination performance. The ANOVA produced an F value of 14.75, a P value of 0.0006, and a partial eta squared of 0.34. Since the p-value is less than 0.05, we rejected the null hypothesis and concluded that the examination modality significantly influences students' expected examination performance. So second is the preparation level had the strongest effect. It produced an F value of 43.50, a p-value less than 0.001, and a partial eta squared of 0.6, which was the largest effect size among all factors. This indicates that preparation level was the most influential variable affecting students' expected examination performance. And third is the interaction between learning modality and preparation level was also statistically significant. The interaction produced an F value of 4.77, a P value of 0.037, and a partial eta squared of 0.14. This means that the influence of preparation levels differs depending on whether the examination is conducted online or face-to-face. Overall, our statistical analysis indicates that both learning modality and preparation level significantly influences the student's expected examination performance, with preparation level having the strongest effect.
Based on the findings of the study, we conclude that both examination modality and preparation level significantly affect students' expected examination performance. Among the two factors, preparation level had the greatest influence, indicating that students believe being well prepared contributes more to examination success than the examination format itself. Students also reported higher expected performance under online examination conditions compared with face-to-face examinations. However, it is important to emphasize that our study measured students' perceived examination performance, not their actual examination scores. Therefore, these findings represent students' expectations and should not be interpreted as proof that online examinations produce higher academic achievement. Based on these findings, we recommend that educators continue strengthening students' preparation through structured review sessions, practice examinations, and effective learning resources, regardless of the examination modality. For institutions implementing online assessments, improving digital assessment systems while maintaining academic integrity should remain a priority. Finally, future researchers are encouraged to use actual examination scores instead of self-reported expectations. Second is include participants from different engineering programs and universities. And lastly, investigate additional factors such as test anxiety, internet connectivity, academic motivation, and remote proctoring systems. These future studies will provide stronger evidence for improving assessment practices in engineering education. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening.